Namaste. Yuddhakanda of Sri Valmiki Ramayana. There, 131st Sarga, Sri Rama Pattabhisheka Sarga. Rama is coronated in Ayodhya by all sages, Kulagurus, and all elders. Abhyashinchan Naravyagram Prasannena Sugandhina Salilena Sahasraksham Vasavo Vasavam Yatha. Abhyashinchan, they added holy water. Naravyagram, the tiger among the men. Prasannena, happily. Sugandhina, with perfumed, filled, sweet smelling. Salilena, water. Sahasraksham Vasavaha Vasavam Yatha. All the divinities, how they coronate Indra, like that Rama was coronated in Ayodhya. Then the Rama Rajya starts. Now we will see the glimpse of Rama Rajya. Sarvam muditameva asit sarvo dharmaparo abhavat. Ramam eva anupashyantaha na abhyahimsan parasparam. Sarvam muditam eva asit. All things were happy. Sarvo dharmaparaha abhavat. All were giving importance to dharma. Ramam eva anupashyantaha. Looking Rama only, admiring him. Na abhyahimsan parasparam. So nobody was having time to hate each other or trouble each other. All were talking about Rama and looking at him. Asan varsha sahasrani tatha putra sahasrinaha niramayaha vishokascha Rame rajyam prashasati. He ruled for 1,000 years, and during that time all people were very happy along with their sons, grandsons, great-grandsons, etc. Niramayaha, they were diseaseless. Vishokascha, no worry was there for them. Rame rajyam prashasati, when Rama was ruling. Ramo Rama iti prajanam abhavat katha. Ramabhutam jagadabhut Rame rajyam prashasati. All were talking about Rama, Rama, Rama. Rama will sit like this. Rama will speak like this. Rama will eat like this. Rama will walk like this. Like that, the whole world was happy to discuss on Rama. Ramabhutam jagat abhut. The whole world was filled with Rama, Rama, Rama. Rame rajyam prashasati. When Rama was ruling, so he was the center of all things. Nitya pushpaha, nitya palaha taravaha, skanda vistritaha, kale varshicha parjanyaha, sukasparshascha marutaha. All the trees and plants were filled with beautiful flowers, fragrant flowers, and lots of fruits were yielded by them. Skandha vistrutaha, they were all quite healthy. Kale varshicha parjanyaha, all the clouds were giving rains in the proper time. Sukasparshascha marutaha, and the winds were very gentle and soothing. Asan praja dharmarata Rame shasati na nritaha sarve lakshana sampannaha sarve dharma parayanaha. Asan, they were there. Prajaha dharmarataha, all the citizens were indulging in dharmic activities. Rame shasati na anritaha, and nobody was daring to say a lie when Rama was ruling. Sarve lakshana sampannaha, all were well built, handsome, beautiful. Sarve dharma parayanaha, and all people were giving importance to dharma. How Rama is seated is beautifully explained in this shloka. Vaidehi sahitam suradrumatale haime mahamantape मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुतं तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलम्. I salute Rama, who is blue in color. Vaidehi sahitam, he is along with Vaidehi. Suradrumatale, under the shade of Kalpa Vriksha. Haime Maha Mandape, and in the golden Mandapa hall. Madhye Pushpaka Asane, in the center of the Pushpaka Asana. Manimaye, studded with gems. Virasane Sustitam, and there in Virasana Hanuman is seated. Agre Vachayati Prabhanjana Sute, and Rama is speaking to him, giving the philosophical thoughts to Hanuman, who is son of wind, and surrounded by Bharata and others. So in that way, pleasingly he was speaking to everybody. All were happy. Let all salute Sri Rama and have happiness in our life also. Jai Shri Ram. Today's Subhashitam in Sanskritam. Sukharti chet tyajet vidyam, vidyarthi chet tyajet sukham. Sukharthinah kuto vidya, vidyarthinah kutah sukham. If one wants to be a person with all comforts, then leave knowledge. If a person wants to be a learned one, then leave the comforts. A person going behind comforts does not attain the knowledge, and for a meticulous student, comfort is not a requirement. Dhanyavadaha. Shubhamastu. Punar milamaha.